Hello everybody, hope you all are fine. So today is also going to be a very interesting and useful video, and let us know what video we are going to look today. Yes, and today we are going to look about few scientifically proven ways to study better. So let us come to know all those ways to study better. One of the most beneficial ways to begin the studying process is to set yourself up for success from the start. So let us come from the following tips. And the first step is gonna be stick to the print. This is gonna define you that tablets or other e-learning media are convenient and portable, but research suggests that traditional print materials still have the upper hand when it comes to studying. Some researchers argue that adopting interactive habits like scrolling, clicking, and pointing enhances the academic experience, but more than 90% of students polled said that they prefer a hard copy or print over a digital device when it comes to studying and schoolwork. Furthermore, a psychology lecture finds that students required more repetition to learn new material if they were studying on a computer screen versus reading printed material. The second tip is listen to music. While some experts argue that the ability to concentrate during silence or listening to music while studying is left up to personal preference, many agree that playing certain types of music can help students engage parts of the brain that help them pay attention and make predictions. Not to mention, listening to music may improve your mood and change your whole outlook about studying in general. And this is going to be a tip that music should not include lyrics, and it should be of 0% of lyrics, then only it will be effective. The third tip is exercise first. The benefits of exercise on the brain have been well established in the fields of health, fitness, and psychology. Studies show our brain power gets a boost following even a short workout, as our bodies are pumping oxygen and nutrients to the brain. Sweat shortly before cracking the books can make you more alert, open, and able to learn new information during your post-workout study session. Fourth tip is relax. Taking study breaks to exercise or drawing a few deep breaths will help your studying if they lower your stress level. Your next tip is change your scenery. A change of scenery impacts learning and concentration abilities. Psychologists states that simply moving to a different room to study could increase both your concentration and retention levels. So, when you are feeling bored sitting at the same room or sitting at your same study table, you can move to your garden or your kitchen to study, where you're able to study more effectively. Your next tip is use active recall method. Closing the book and reciting everything one can remember up to the point to practice long-term memorization. And your last tip is make connections. Experts argue that the difference between slow learners and quick studiers is the way they study. For example, instead of memorizing, quick learners make connections between ideas. Known as contextual learning, this process requires students to customize their own methods of learning, thus making connections that inspire all the information to fall into place and make sense for them individually. Some students find that recording all information visually in one place can help to paint a fuller picture and aid their connections within their learning process, such as you can take on a sheet of paper or a chalkboard or on a whiteboard, wherever you wish to take.